My best friend Jess and I have traveled to many local and international destinations together, but today I get to share my favorite Ontario road trip with her, and that is to Niagara. As a nurse, Jess is always looking after others, so this trip is all about getting pampered, eating good food, and cheersing to good times. Getting to share these experiences with my loved ones makes it so surreal. First stop is maple tasting at White Meadows in the Sugar Shack. This farm has been serving up 100% pure maple syrup for 4 generations, and tasting a variety of Canada's sweetest treasure with my sweetest mate is the perfect way to start our trip. There's nothing quite like Niagara's vintage hotel scene, so when planning our getaway, Pillar and Post was a must. Next stop is the classic Olde Angel Inn for some amazing cocktails and delicious food. Oh, that is so good. You have to try that.
You have to try this one.
Don't have to ask me twice.
That's like dessert.
This Niagara-on-the-lake restaurant and inn is historic and filled with ghost stories that their staff are happy to tell. The hearty upscale pub food is never short in portion size and is incredible for sharing. Their spin on poutine, brilliant.
Oh yeah.
Now, I was told that the sausage rolls are actually made in-house, so I think that's what we're digging into next. That was so good. Are you up for a nightcap night pint?
Always.
Cheers.
What beer did you say this was again?
It's Silversmith. It's actually a local beer from here, and it's one of my favorites for sure.
Delicious. So rare you find a black lager.
I know, and it's so good. From walking the decorated gardens at Pillar and Post to relaxing in one of their pools and getting pampered at their 100 fountain spa, we picked the perfect place to rejuvenate. You know what I just realized?
What?
We've never been to a hot spring together. After a relaxing dip in the hot springs, we're capping off our girls' trip the only way we know how. And that's with a wine tasting at 13th Street Winery. This is so cute.
Look at this.
Oh, so nice and warm. Love this. This chic winery, though boutique, is quite expansive with a gallery, a bakery, and a tasting bar all on site. Do you want to take a walk around the property? They have some amazing local art here.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
From beautiful boutique inns and pubs to incredibly delicious maple syrup and wine tastings, Niagara is filled with shareable experiences. I'm Kaitlin Narciso, this is Jess Campbell, and this is our Niagara.